What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a 10-minute binary options call that I took on GBPUSD earlier this morning. This was also a trade that I called out for my students. So if we look into the past, we can see that price was in a very clear downtrend, and then price breaks that downtrend right here. So all we did was simply wait for price to come back and retest structure, which you can see this was the last level that price made right here before it broke structure. And then after the structure break, we can see that we have another level being made right here, where you can see there is some brick walling. Price shoots up, comes back and retests it, and then continues that trend. So when we saw all of this, I was simply just waiting for price to give us a very solid retest of this structure change. You know, this could have been an easy entry, but I always like to take the safer, more conservative route when it comes to trading. So I waited for price to clearly push away for this level before coming back down to look for a trade. So once we start entering into this area where price broke structure and we're waiting for price to come and retest it and hold at that level before continuing going up, we can see that when price gets close, that we have this candle right here signaling that there is in fact a lot of rejection going on in the market, and that the sellers are most likely, not always, but most likely they're going to start losing control of the trade. And we can see that after two more candles, price brick walls, and then we get some very bullish price action right here with this engulfing candle. You can see how this one candle pretty much clears up these last three bearish candles that are right here. So this was our sign that price was indeed going to hold this level and go into the uptrend. So we went ahead and took our 10-minute call after that candle closed right here where this line is. You can see where it says 10-minute call. And then 10 minutes later, price closed up here at this candle. You can see where it says trade close. So this was a really easy trade. Honestly, this morning was pretty slow. Most of the pairs were just kind of moving sideways. So the session took us about 2 hours to get through all of the trades that we needed to look for, just because of how slow everything was. But overall, super simple trade. We're always looking for the same exact things, because when it comes to trading, you just want to master one or two things and become extremely consistent at trading those one or two things versus trying to master everything, right? Because then you become a jack of all trades, a master of none. So you'll never actually become consistent when it comes to trading. So if you're looking into trading, I advise you just to pick one strategy, one method, one style of trading, and stick to that for basically the rest of your life. All different styles of trading work. You just have to master them and figure out all the pros and cons and the ins and outs for every strategy. But if you guys have any questions about anything that we went over in this video, go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take a majority of my trades live, go ahead and follow me on Facebook or Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.